But the story that we are breaking at this moment, months after the tragic Air India crash in Ahmedabad, now we've got another possible fuel switch defect on a Boeing 7878 aircraft from London to Bengaluru. Air India says the pilot flagged a possible fuel switch defect. Pilot reported the glitch after landing in Bengaluru. Boeing says we are in contact with Air India, are supporting their review of this matter. Air India claims after receiving this initial information, we have grounded the said aircraft, are involving the original equipment manufacturer to get the pilot's concerns checked on a priority basis. The matter has been communicated also to the aviation regulator DGCA. Joining me now is our correspondent Divyesh Singh with the very latest. Divyesh, what can you tell us? This was a plane flying from London to Bengaluru. What are your sources telling us Air India intends to do in this case?
Well, Rajdeep, this aircraft that has flown from London to Bengaluru and it landed in Bengaluru this morning, after which the pilot operating the aircraft immediately reported the snag regarding the fuel control switch. Remember, this fuel control switch snag had been flagged or had been called in the primary report, in the primary accident report, primary crash report of the Air India 7878 crash that happened in Ahmedabad. There also it was said that the fuel supply to the aircraft was immediately stopped after the liftoff within 1 second, and that was a fuel control switch issue. Now this issue again has been flagged by another Air India pilot who was also flying a Boeing 7878 aircraft. The aircraft flew from London to Bengaluru, and after that, after landing in Bengaluru this morning, the pilot has flagged this issue. Air India in their official statement have said that they have informed DGCA and they are engaging with OEM as well regarding the aircraft, regarding the issue flagged by their pilot, and this aircraft has meanwhile been grounded for further investigation. Raj.
Divyesh Singh joining us with those details. We'll wait and see what this latest case, where this latest case goes. Appreciate you joining us.